Hi all, welcome to J2Wealth. Let's get into our weekly market report for this week. First, let's see world market news. US Fed have kept their interest rates unchanged and they've also signaled that they'll be cutting just once this year the interest rates. German wholesale prices fell by 0.7%, which is lower to the same month of last year. AI-powered Apple has overtaken Microsoft to be the most valuable company in the world. The US plans to raise tariffs on Chinese imports starting from August 1st. With Chinese-made electric and hybrid vehicles facing 100% import duty, and this week Europe has imposed nearly about 38% hike in the tariff. Next, let's move on to Indian market news. World Bank confirms India's economic boom and they retain their robust view of GDP growth at 6.6% for the financial year 25, and they've also predicted for the financial year 26 the GDP growth would be at 6.7%. India continues to lead the global economic race. India's CPI inflation was at 4.7% in May when compared to 4.83% in April. According to reports, Union budget is likely to be presented in the Parliament in the third week of July. India's forex reserves have risen and it has hit a ceiling of $655 billion as on June 7th. India's annual passenger growth is registered at 3.99% with a monthly increase of 4.4%. Indigo's local passenger share in the month of May has risen to 61.6%. Equity mutual funds in India have seen a record of 34,697 crores as inflows in the month of May. The Indian MF assets have reached a ceiling of 58.6 trillion. And it is up by 10 trillion in a year. A day after Nirmala Sitharaman has taken charge as the finance minister, the government has announced the 53rd GST Council meet. It's been scheduled on 22nd June in Delhi. Defense stocks surged this week as Mr. Rajnath Singh has said that his primary goal is to enhance country's security and to achieve self-reliance in defense manufacturing. India's trade deficit widens to $23.78 billion and the exports also rise by 9%. So let's move on to stock news. SBI Mutual Fund becomes the first asset management company to cross an AUM of 10 lakh crore. M&M outshines Tata Motors to become the second largest auto major in India. The shares hit a fresh 52-week high this week. Adani Group's Ambuja Cement are going to buy Penna Cement for a whopping amount of 10,422 crores. Dixon Technologies are planning to invest nearly 1,500 to 1,800 crore in India for the next 3 years. Brigade Enterprises have launched a new project worth 1,800 crore in Chennai's Mount Road. Vodafone Idea board approves rupees 2,458 crore fundraising via share sale to Nokia and Ericsson. Reliance Jio platform cleared the hurdle to launch satellite internet in India. JSW Group are planning to invest nearly 70 billion in the next 6 years and they are planning to increase their capacity. Adani Enterprise promoters are planning to increase their stake in the company by 2.02%. That's it for this week's market report. To stay updated on financial content, financial interviews and financial news, subscribe to J2Wealth.